students. In this session, I will be discussing the solved questions of Science 2024 10th standard class. The subdivision will be chemistry. Moving on to the multiple choices, the first question, that is organic compounds obtained by the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol are. So the question means that in an organic compound, when the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol takes place, what will be the product we are obtaining? So they have given four options, that is aldehyde, ketones, esters and hydrocarbon. The answer will be ester. The reason behind the answer is when an acid is treated with alcohol, when acid will be treated with alcohol, we get ester as a product. So this whole process is known as esterification. So the next question, ferrous sulfate crystal lose green color when heated because this compound. So the question is, when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated very much, they lose their green color. So what will be the answer? These are the option. Option A, decomposes into simpler products. Option B, loses water molecules. Option C, releases sulfur dioxide gas. Option D, produces brown fumes. So the answer will be option B, loses water molecules. So this will be the reaction. So when we take hydrated ferrous sulfate and heat it very strongly, we get anhydrous sulfate plus release of water into the air. So the reason is the production of anhydrous ferrous sulfate is formed, so it loses the green color. The next question is, one limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table is this classification. So they have provided the options and we have to predict which is the limitation in this. So option A was applicable only to calcium. Option B, suitable only for lighter elements. Option C, has not provided definite position for noble gases. Option D, has not assigned a fixed position to hydrogen. So the answer will be option D, has not assigned a fixed position to hydrogen. Moving to the next question, write any two uses of washing soda. So we have to write the uses of washing soda. The first uses, it is used in glass soap industries. The second, it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. The next question is, what are periods and groups in modern periodic table? So what are the periods and groups in the modern periodic table? So period is the horizontal rows. Whichever is the horizontal row present in the periodic table, this is known as periods, and there are totally 7 periods. Groups, the vertical columns in the periodic table. So whichever the lines are this vertical lines, it is known as groups, and there are 18 groups. Next question is, observe the electronic configuration of 4 elements given in the following table and answer the below given question. So they have provided 4 different elements having its electronic configuration. The sub question is, arrange these elements in the decreasing order of their atomic radii, that is atomic size. So these elements I have to arrange in their decreasing order. So I have written the elements whichever having this electronic configuration. The first will be magnesium, fluorine, potassium, chlorine. So the answer will be potassium is kept first because it is the largest metal. The second is the smallest metal when compared to potassium, that is magnesium. This third is the chlorine, which is the non-metal, which is smaller than potassium and magnesium. The last will be the fluorine, which is smaller when compared to all these 3.